Hello and welcome to a quick unboxing of the OnePieces Relec 45-degree antenna adapter connector SMA RP SMA for Fetcher goggles. So, despite saying RP SMA, this is an SMA one. So let's check it out. Pretty cool. SMA. So let's weight it. Ugh, sorry. So 5.6 gram, that's not much. And now let me check how much it will protrude. So normally you would screw this one in here, so let's say about that much. So that's like 17.69 millimeters. And the idea behind this is that I will screw this on my Dominator V2s about right there. Come on. Like you always have to do the last adjustment by putting stress on the SMA, and I try to avoid that. So let's check this out. Pretty cool. So it does protrude quite a lot. I had hoped it wouldn't be that severe, but I think I can live with that. Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah. And I was worried I couldn't read the display, but it's so far off. That's absolutely no problem. Cool. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching and see you in the next unboxing.